Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, hello, and welcome. And if you're not new, y'all know what I say, what's popping. So in today's episode, we're gonna do something different. A lot of people have been asking me about doing the Grinch look, right? Now this look kind of have a bit of setbacks in it, but that's okay. We're gonna make it work. Now this look have a bit of setbacks in the sense that I don't believe I have the right products to be able to execute it as professional and as successful and as perfect as I'd like it to be, but we'll make what we have work. I'm not gonna do my entire face, sorry. I'm probably just gonna do this much or this much. So I'm contemplating which side of my mouth curls up more, and I think it's this side, to get that face thing that he does. And I'm gonna definitely work on this side first. I don't think I'll be talking much because I've never done this before. This is my first time, so if I feel I'm feeling right on here in front of you guys, and I'm gonna let you see everything. All right, so because I don't have the face paint, actually I purchased face paint since Halloween and it was green, but it was the worst thing ever, so it's not what I'm going to use. So this is why I have to improvise until I'm able to purchase the right products. I did a patch test and so far it actually kind of like not too bad, so we'll see how it looks. So I've decided I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in green. This is the green corrector, which actually is supposed to neutralize red tones. I'm going to see if this works. I'm wondering if I should do my brows first. Like, I don't even know where to start with this look. I honestly don't know where to start. This is why I have here to brush. Check me. I need to concentrate, so I think I'm gonna go get much conversation. I wonder if I should put some eyeshadow in it, boy. I'm gonna reach into my Morphe palette and get this green shade right here. I think what I can do is knock some of the eyeshadow onto my artist palette along with the concealer, mix it and see what I come up with. Let's see. That green is green. I only just realized I ain't even put on a base, like a primer or anything. I just apply this thing smack onto my skin. Can I transform this into the Grinch? Who knows? Who knows? The things I do for my subscribers. I don't even know if I could do it, but whatever. I didn't want to turn our entire foundation brush green, so that's why I'm using this makeup sponge. Oh, good. I already concealer in my mouth. So I just did a patch test because I wanted to test a different shade of green, since when I used the forest green up here it was coming out really dark. So I've decided to use this shade of green right here, and it looks good so far. It's not too dark, So when I blend it in with the concealer, it's supposed to be hopefully just a right amount of green. So I'm blending it as I go so that nothing is too harsh. And well, you know, my favorite motion for blending is circular motion. I'm gonna get another brush just to highlight the high points of my face. There's not really much to it. And I'm using this shade of green right here. And go back and forth in between brushes to make sure it blends properly, because my Grinch can't be looking like crap. Let me see if I can work something out on my eyelid. Maybe like green shimmer or some kind of something. I'm not sure if you can see that shimmer, but I'm gonna add this olive green just to smoke out my eyes on the outer area here. I can't forget to blend. And the way this makeup looking here now, it looking like if I forget to blend. Let me see if I can save it. Because what I forget is makeup I doing, and I just do this eye anyhow. Now I'm trying to fix it. Maybe sure if I notice any highlight. Are we starting to look Grinchish? A little bit slight. Let me fix up these brows and then we'll come back to work on the details of Grinch's face, which is probably the hardest part because I want it to look Grinchy. So I think my brows looking all righteous. My eyes, I kind of blend it out a little bit more than how it was. Not sure if y'all can see the difference. I'm gonna take the dark green eyeshadow, and I have this sort of defined brush from Beach Cosmetics, and I'm gonna start by creating my line. Guys, I'm really sorry I'm not much fun talking. This is actually how I be when I be trying out something that I've never done before. I be trying to concentrate as much as possible because I feel like I can screw it up, you know. Make some dots on my face. It's like I'm trying to avoid the harder things. Listen, I'm really trying to avoid it because I'm scared. I'm using my Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Nudist Peach to apply lipstick. Oh shucks.
Oh, shucks.
Oh my god, it broke. I'm really trying to create some shadowing kind of effect by adding concealer to like I honestly don't know. Let me complete the rest of my face off camera because this is gonna be pretty normal, and I'll put on lashes and come back and see if I need to add anything else. Okay. The other half of my face is complete and it kind of looks better. I did add some like more crease lines or something to kind of look sort of angry to give that Grinch vibe. I don't even know what else to do at this point. Let me go and see if I can get my Santa Claus hat on and something, I don't know. Comment and let me know what you guys think. The eye makeup turned out good though. I mean, it came out darker on this side. It's the same eyeshadow here is what I use here, but it came out darker because of the green base that I had. If I had used the same concealer over here on this side, then it would have looked the same. That's the only thing. Okay, so I've popped on a wig and my Santa Claus hat, and this is the final look. What do you guys think about my Grinch? I mean, this is my first time attempting it, so it's okay if it's not the perfect Grinch. I think I still did a good job. Hopefully this can be something that I look back on in the future and I can do it 100 times better than I did it right now. But for now, first time, improvising off the top of my head, looking at pictures to try to see what I can do. Not too bad. I love Jim Carrey's impersonation of the Grinch. I love that character. That is something that I watch every year. What are your favorite Christmas films that you go back to every year? So I love to look at How the Grinch Stole Christmas, Home Alone 1, 2, and 3 because 4 and 5 is trash. And I really love to see I'll Be Home for Christmas is nice. That was with Jessica Biel. I can't remember the guy's name who was the main character in the film, but I'll Be Home for Christmas is nice. I also like, I think it's Santa Claus. That's with Tim Allen. 1 and 2. I can't remember what 3 is about, but that is a really nice one that I look at. And I love A Christmas Carol, but the one where Jim Carrey is the character. You see them other films? Nah, but definitely those. So comment down below and let me know what is your favorite go-to Christmas film that you look at. Who is obsessed with Hallmark films? Like, I cannot stand it for the life of me, but I know there are those that are obsessed with it. My mom, for one, she loves the Hallmark Christmas movies. But let me know what is your favorite. No judgment here. If you prefer Hallmark Christmas movies over the ones that I just called, just comment and let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.